Chewy and Ringo's Paper Airplane Adventure. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on a hill, lived a blue heeler puppy named Chewy, her little red heeler sister named Ringo, and their playful dad, Randit. Their house was filled with laughter and joy as Randit was always inventing new and interesting games for his daughters to play. Today, he had a special idea: making paper airplanes. "All right, girls," Randit said, his eyes twinkling with excitement. "Today, we're going to make paper airplanes. The one whose plane flies the farthest is the winner." Chewy and Ringo wagged their tails with delight. They loved playing with their dad, and this new game sounded like so much fun. Chewy, being the older sister, quickly caught on to the art of folding paper into an airplane. Her plane soared through the air, landing far across the room. Ringo, however, was having a tougher time. Her plane would barely lift off the ground before it flopped back down. She looked at her failed airplane and let out a sad little whimper. Seeing Ringo's disappointment, Randit and Chewy immediately came to her side. "Don't worry, Ringo," Randit comforted her, "we'll help you make a better plane." Chewy wagged her tail and nuzzled her little sister, while Randit picked up a new piece of paper. He carefully showed Ringo how to fold the paper, explaining each step patiently. Chewy watched and learned too, so she could help Ringo next time. With Randit and Chewy's help, Ringo managed to create a much better paper airplane. Her eyes sparkled with anticipation as she prepared to launch her new plane. With a gentle toss, the plane took off, sailing smoothly through the air and landing even farther than Chewy's plane. Ringo yipped with joy, bouncing around the room with her tail wagging wildly. Chewy and Randit joined in her celebration, their laughter filling the house. It was a wonderful day of play, and as they settled down for the night, Ringo couldn't help but feel proud of her achievement. She snuggled close to Chewy and Randit, looking forward to the next day's game. And so, the house on the hill was filled with warmth and love, as the Blue Heeler family enjoyed their playful days and peaceful nights. As they drifted off to sleep, the paper airplanes lay scattered around the room, a testament to a day well spent and a game well played. The end. I hope you've enjoyed the story. I definitely enjoyed sharing it with you. Now let's close our eyes and calm our minds and drift off to dreamland. Sweet dreams and good night.